Start. This appeal by special leave is directed against the impugned judgment and decree dated 12/10/2001 passed by the High Court of Jharkhand at Ranchi in second appeal number 88/2000, whereby the High Court dismissed the appeal filed by the board by confirming the concurrent findings of the courts below. Stop para. Brief facts in nutshell for proper adjudication of the dispute involved in the present appeal are, the plaintiff has filed a suit for permanent injunction alleging that suit schedule property originally belongs to Raja A.P. Singh Deo of estate of Seraikela staff. Later, the property was purchased by Kumar Subodh Singh Deo, wide registered sale deed number 3201 dated 4/12/1989 star. He, in turn, sold the property to the plaintiff wide registered sale deed dated 8/8/1990 for a consideration of rupees 12,000, and since then he is in peaceful possession and enjoyment of the property by constructing a residential building in the land staff. While that being so, the defendant board has issued notice dated 4/1/1992 asking the plaintiff to quit and give vacant possession of the suit land, and threatened the plaintiff to dispossess from the suit land without any right and title over the same staff. Hence, the plaintiff has come up with the present suit to protect his possession. Staff para. The defendant has filed the written statement contending that the plaintiff vendor has no legal right and title over the suit scheduled property, and the sale deed executed by his vendor will not confer any right or title to the plaintiff staff. Further, the suit scheduled property along with other properties was acquired by the defendants by way of land acquisition proceedings in the year 1965, and the possession was handed over to them. Staff para. As such, except the defendant, no one else has right or title over the property. Staff. The defendant has taken several other grounds with regard to maintainability of the suit on the ground of misjoinder of proper and necessary parties to the suit, on the ground of limitation, under section 92 of the BSHB Act and rules, as no prior notice was issued before instituting the suit. Staff. Also, under section 62 of the CNT Act, it is the case of the defendant that the present suit is not maintainable without seeking the relief of declaration of title. Staff. The suit scheduled property was recorded in the revenue records in the name of the defendant. Staff. Without seeking right, title, possession and correction of entries in record of right, plaintiff cannot maintain the suit for injunction and hence sought for dismissal of the suit. Staff para. The trial court has decreed the suit, holding that suit is not barred under any of the provisions of the BSHB Act, CNT Act and the Limitation Act. Staff. Though court took note of Exhibit B later of giving possession to the defendant, has come to the conclusion that the evidence on record does not establish that the land acquisition proceedings have attained finality. Staff. With regard to maintainability of a suit for injunction, court gave a finding that as the plaintiff is able to prove his possession by oral and documentary evidence, he can maintain a simply suit for injunction without seeking the relief of declaration. Staff.